gq.
Get ready.
gq.
You might not quench the DJ DQ, you don't know.
This is the sound we'll all kill for. DJ DQ will kill your sound.
Master JQ. Rastafari guy there, no? Yeah, GQ son. Yeah. Oh Lord. GQ name is so excellent. Throughout this set.
You know, Marvin Chin represent for GQ sound, you know. Hear me the father GQ. Kick it loose, no time to waste, here. Genius. It's Marvin, GQ sound. Keep job by our side, so we never giving up. Take with time, do we thing. Mama said, don't rush. Now for them a violate one star we as a gruff, but all them attack we still not here. Them can't stop we. No matter how them try. GQ sound moving on. You know we keep moving on.
Momentarily, I'm Mr. Snipes, representing for GQ sound. Hey GQ, tell me something. About some boy, them a talk about them a friend, them a enemy. The boy them full of grudge and envy. Clearly me a talk, me not in no whisper. Some boy no right. My lord, what this for them a change like money in a cash register. To GQ them go turn sinister. Them got disrespect to the respect we give them the friendship part. No, that's the end. We no want hear much less see them. Principle loyalty GQ defend. Now wish them bad the Lord deal with them. Wolf in a sheep clothing. Love pretend, want see we dead, but we still a breed oxygen.
gq.
Get ready.
gq.
You might not quench the